Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th, 9th chapter Direct Proportion and Inverse Proportion Part 4. Now let's see what is partnership. We had already studied what is partnership. Partnership means when two or more people come together to form a business is known as your partnership. Clear? First of all, for running a business we need a capital. Capital means the money which we are investing in our business is known as our capital. Now let's see practice set 39. Student, second question. A and B shared a profit of 24,500 rupees in the proportion 3:7. Each of them gave 2% of his share of the profit to the Soldier Welfare Fund. What was the actual amount given to the fund by each of them? Now what is given first of all in this question? Now here A and B are the partners. They have made a profit in their business that is of 24,500 rupees. Clear? In the proportion 3:7. Now the ratio is given. Clear? The ratio of their capital as well as their profit is given. They have invested in this ratio in this business and they have shared a profit according to this ratio. Clear? So what is the share of A? The share of A is 3 and the share of B is 7. Clear? And each of them have given 2%. Each of them has given 2% in the Soldier Welfare Fund. Clear? So we have to find out what is the actual amount they have given to Soldier Welfare Fund. Clear? So first of all, what we will find out? First of all, we will write down the ratio. Clear? And then we will find out how much profit A has made and what is the profit of B. Clear? So first of all, we will write down the ratio. What is the ratio of their capital as well as the profit is given? That is 3:7 is the ratio. Profit they have made is rupees to 24,500. Clear? They have made a profit of 24,500. So now we have to share this profit 24,500 between A and B in the ratio 3:7. So here we will write down, let the profit shared by A, B 3x. What is the share of A? That is 3. And the profit shared by B 7x. Clear? And what is the ratio of B? That is 7. So 7x. Clear? We don't know how much from this 24,500 how much A will take and how much B will take. So we have taken that is x. Now what you will do? You will add this 3x with 7x, and what is the total profit they have made? 24,500. Clear? So 7 plus 3, what you will get? You will get that is 10x is equal to 24,500. Understood? Now how you will do the calculation? This 10 you will take on the right hand side, so multiplication will become division. So 24,500 divided by 10. So how you will do the calculation over here? So 10 will get cancelled. So 2450 divided by 1, you will get 2450. Clear? Rupees. Understood? Now what you will do? We will find out what? We will find out the A's profit. What will be the A's profit? So A's profit. Clear? So what will be the A's profit? That is, what is the ratio of A? That is 3x. So 3x is equal to 3 multiplied by 2450. So what will be the profit? That is 7,350 rupees. Clear? Now we have to find out B's profit. B's profit, that is 7x. That is 7 multiplied by 2450. So what you will get? You will get that is 17,150 rupees. Clear? Now what we have to find out? We have to find out that they have given 2% to the soldier welfare fund. 2% means how much? What is the actual amount they have given to the soldier welfare fund? Clear? So here for soldier welfare fund, how much they have given for the soldier welfare fund? Clear? That we have to find out. So what is the share A has given? A has given, that is 2% of rupees. What is the profit of A? That is 7,350. Clear? So we have to find out the 2% on the 7,350. So how you will going to find out? Out of this 100, he has given 2%. So 2 upon 100 into 7,350. Clear? Now how you will do the calculation over here? Can you tell me? So how you will do the calculation? That is 10 from this and 10 from 100 will get cancelled. Now can you divide this? Yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Clear? Now you have to divide 735 with 5. So 5 ones are 5. Again 5 ones are 5. Clear? 2 carry with 3. It will become 23. So 23 is not there in 5's table. So what you will get? 4's are, that is 20. So 3 carry with 5. It will become 35. So 7's are, 5 7's is 35. Means how much share he has given to soldier welfare fund? That is rupees 147. Clear? And what is B has given? 2% of rupees. What is the profit? What is the profit of B over here? The profit of B is 17,150. So 2 upon 100 multiply by 17,150. Again the same calculation. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 1715 you have to divide with 5. You will get, that is rupees 343. Clear? So how much A has given to the soldier welfare fund? That is 147, and how much B has given? That is 343. So here we will write down A gave rupees 147 and B gave rupees 343. To whom? To soldier welfare fund. Clear? And question number 4. Shweta, Piyush and Nachiket together invested 80,000 rupees and started a business of selling sheets and towels from Solapur. Shweta's share of the capital was 30,000 rupees and Piyush 12,000. At the end of the year, they had made a profit of 24%. What was Nachiket's investment and what was his share of the profit? Now student, what you have to do in this question is, now here the three partners are given, Shweta, Piyush and Nachiket. Together all the three partners has invested 80,000 rupees in their business and started a business of selling sheets and towels. From where they are bringing that sheets and towels? From Solapur. Clear? They are bringing that towels and sheets from Solapur. Afterwards, Shweta's share of capital was 30,000 and Piyush has invested 12,000. Clear? The investment of Shweta and Piyush is given. What we have to do? We have to find out the investment of Nachiket. How much Nachiket has invested in this business. Clear? Now all the three partners had made a profit of 24% in their business. Understood? So what we have to find out, first thing we have to find out, that is Nachiket's investment as well as what profit Nachiket will get, that we have to find out. Understood? Clear? So let's see how you will going to find out Nachiket's profit and Nachiket's investment. First of all, we will write down the investment made by the three partners, that is Shweta's investment. Now here, what is the Shweta's investment? Shweta's investment is rupees, that is 30,000. Clear? Shweta has invested 30,000 rupees. Then afterwards, Piyush's investment. What is the Piyush investment over here? That is rupees 12,000. Understood? Then we have to write down Nachiket's investment. Now what you will write down? The Nachiket investment. Now we don't know the Nachiket investment, so we will take here X. Clear, everyone? Now what you will do? Now the total investment is given, that is the total investment is given, that is rupees 80,000 is the total investment. All the three partners have invested 80,000 rupees in the business. Clear? Now how you will going to find out the Nachiket's investment? So what you will do? See what we have to do. With the help of this statement, we have to make an equation, that is 30,000 plus 12,000 plus X is equal to 80,000. Clear? Shweta's investment, Piyush investment, Nachiket investment is equal to total investment. Clear? Now what you will do? First we will add this 30,000 with 12,000. So what you will get over here? You will get, that is 42,000. Clear? Plus X will come as it is. X is our Nachiket's investment that we have to find out, is equal to 80,000 total investment. Clear? Now what you will do? You will take this 42,000 on the right hand side. So this addition will become subtraction. So X is equal to 80,000 minus 42,000. So what you will get? The value of X over here, you will get, that is 38,000. So what is the investment of Nachiket? The investment of Nachiket is 38,000. Clear? So here we will write down Nachiket's investment is rupees 38,000. Clear? So here we had find out the first thing, that is Nachiket's investment. Now we have to find out the other thing, that is Nachiket's profit. Clear? So how you will going to find out the Nachiket's profit? Now how much profit they have made? They made a profit of 24%. Clear, everyone? So how you will going to find out the profit of Nachiket? See, here directly we will find out the Nachiket's profit. Understood? No need to find out the individual profit. Clear? So how you will find out the Nachiket's profit over here? How you will going to find out the Nachiket's profit? Now what is the total investment of the Nachiket? The total investment of the Nachiket is 38,000. Clear? And the profit he has made, that is 24% upon 100. Clear? So two zeros will get cancelled. Understood? Now multiply 380 with 24. What you will get as your Nachiket profit? That is rupees 9,120 is the Nachiket's profit. Clear, everyone? So here we will write down that Nachiket's share of profit is rupees 9,120. Clear how you will do this? Thank you.